Understanding gasket manufacturer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might encounter in the world of manufacturing and engineering: gasket manufacturer. This phrase combines two important words that are key to understanding its meaning. Let's dive in and learn what a gasket manufacturer is and why it's important. Before we understand what a gasket manufacturer does, we need to know what a gasket is. A gasket is a sealing material placed between two surfaces to prevent leakage of liquids or gases under compression. Gaskets are used in various machines, engines, and piping systems. They come in different shapes, sizes, and materials depending on their use. The primary purpose of a gasket is to create a tight seal and maintain the efficiency and safety of the system. Now, let's talk about what a gasket manufacturer does. A gasket manufacturer is a company or entity that specializes in producing gaskets. This involves several steps: designing gaskets based on specific requirements and applications, selecting materials that can withstand the conditions they will be exposed to, such as temperature, pressure, and chemicals, manufacturing gaskets using various processes, including cutting, molding, and shaping, testing gaskets to ensure they meet quality and safety standards. Gasket manufacturers play a crucial role in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, and construction. They ensure that machines and systems operate efficiently and safely by preventing leaks that can lead to failures or accidents. Moreover, they contribute to innovation in sealing technology, developing new materials and designs that meet the evolving needs of their clients. We hope this video has helped you understand what a gasket manufacturer is and the critical role they play in various industries. Gaskets might seem like small components, but their importance cannot be overstated, and the manufacturers behind them ensure that our machines and systems run smoothly and safely. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on our channel.